Right, piranha feeding time again. There's the red bellies and pygocentrus caribe. Yeah. Caribe, actually, I have mentioned it a while ago, but the word caribe comes from the fact that when the people used to get their cattle across the River Orinoco, these type of piranha used to castrate the cattle. So caribe comes from castrator. Ugh. How could you, eh? Right. Yeah, this new way of doing the pots has worked out really well. Only thing is, it's Jon Snow that lives in that section now. And One Eye is in Jon Snow's. So Jon Snow is in the middle here, and One Eye has taken over Jon Snow's area. One Eye is, I'll tell you, One Eye is like, mind you, he was dominant before he lost his eye when they were tiny. But yeah, it's Jon Snow that lives in that section now, but it's actually worked really well. So Reg in there, Jon Snow's in that bit, and One Eye's at the back. It's worked out really well. You're hungry, I think. So let's dangle in some fillet. Oh God, made me jump. I just jumped. Right, in it goes. Cool, that's a big. Oh no, Jon Snow as usual first. One Eye. Oh, you're gonna have to tug. Reg is like doing his own thing as he normally does, till he eventually makes his mind up. When he does make his mind up, he's crazier than the rest. They're still getting used to this light, I think. Quite a bit brighter than the normal light I used to use. Reg, what are you doing? You're everywhere bar the food. Don't eat it all, so I've got to give some of that to Jaws. Yeah, I'm doing a water change in the siphon this afternoon. I thought I'd feed him again, so it's a bit messy. I thought I'd feed him before I do the water change in the siphon again. Oh, good tug, One Eye, good tug. Usual story. Crazy Reg. Come on, Reg. Where are you? Blimey, he's gone over there. I wish I'd go over there more. Oh, ow. Wish I'd go over there more often. Tons of space over there, but they like it over this side. What are you doing, Reg? Right, I'm gonna take that out because Reg is like being a bit funny. Doing Reg. Let's drop some fillet in for the castrator. And a bit more for the castrator. Castrator. Oh, I'll dangle this back in when Reg is close. Come on, Reg. Wait, not for you. It's not for you. Come on, Reg. Oh. Oh, God's sake, Reg. Hurry up. Come on, come on. You can't be hungry, that hungry. I see they've had it by now. My fingers are pretty close to the water now. Go on, Reg. When I sprinkle in the flake food for the guppy, sometimes Jon Snow comes so far out of the water, he almost has me fingers while I'm sprinkling it in. You watch him eating the tiny little bits of flake as well. Are you gonna partake? I think Reg has still got to get used to this light because it's quite bright and his eyes aren't brilliant. No. Ooh. Yeah, things have worked. The fighting's gone down a lot since I rearranged the pots. It's a lot better again. Reg. I'm just holding it there in case Reg has some. No, you can't be hungry. Right, out it comes. Would you have it then? Ooh. Flipping it, Reg. Ripped out of my hand. What you can do with all that? I'm going to have to get that out. He won't eat all that, will he? He ripped out my hand. Nom, nom, nom. He's like, this is mine. Dog with a bone time. Jon Snow's like, you're in my section. But there's no rules when it's feeding time. They all go into each other's section. It's not a problem. Oh, there you go. He ripped out my hand. If I can keep hold of it, he splashes like crazy. Oh, Jon Snow. Right, tiny bit of fillet left for the castrator. Pygocentrus, cariba. Yeah. Right, yep, need to siphon and water change. And that's them fed for another week. Yeah.